Hello and welcome, global food enthusiasts, to another exciting episode on foods around the globe. We're on a mission to explore the vast world of gastronomy from the comfort of your screen. Today, we're diving into the rich culinary history and revealing the top 10 authentic food recipes of an intriguing country in Central Asia, Tajikistan. With its unique flavors and traditional methods, Tajik cuisine is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. So, without further ado, let's embark on our delicious journey to the heart of Central Asia, Tajikistan. The culinary history of Tajikistan is as rich and diverse as the nation itself. Diving into the culinary journey of Tajikistan, we find ourselves amidst a feast of flavors, influenced by the colorful tapestry of cultures that have left their mark on this Central Asian country. Persian, Mongol, and Russian cultures have each played their parts, leaving behind a fusion of tastes that are both unique and intriguing. Let's start with the Persian influence. Ancient Persia's royal feasts and grandiose culinary traditions have trickled down into the everyday meals of Tajikistan. The use of fresh herbs, fruits, and nuts in their dishes is a testament to this influence. Not to forget the iconic Persian rice dish, pilaf, which has found a unique place in Tajik cuisine as palav. Next, we have the Mongols. When the Mongol Empire swept through Central Asia in the 13th century, they brought with them their nomadic lifestyle and diet. This introduced Tajikistan to the practice of fermenting dairy products and the consumption of meaty stews and dumplings. Then came the Russians. Their influence is relatively recent, stemming from the Soviet era. They introduced a variety of root vegetables, pickled foods, and the concept of communal eating, which is now a cornerstone of Tajik food culture. But it's not just cultural influences that have shaped Tajik cuisine. The nation's geography and climate have a significant role too. Tajikistan is a mountainous country with cold winters, which requires hearty, warming dishes. This is why you'll find a lot of stews, soups, and grain-based dishes in their cuisine. Ingredients like barley, mutton, and root vegetables are staples here, providing the necessary energy and warmth. Bread, or naan as it's locally known, is a must-have at every meal. And let's not forget the tea, which is more than just a drink in Tajikistan. It's a symbol of hospitality and a daily ritual. So, as we can see, the culinary history of Tajikistan is a captivating blend of cultural influences and geographical necessity, resulting in a cuisine that's hearty, diverse, and oh so delicious. The Tajik people have a saying, "Food is the key to the heart." Now, let's unlock the heart of Tajikistan with our top 10 authentic recipes. Starting our culinary adventure, we have 5 delectable dishes that truly represent the soul of Tajik cuisine. The first dish on our list is plov, also known as osh. This hearty rice dish is a staple at Tajik dinner tables, often served as the main course. The rice is simmered in a savory broth and then mixed with chunks of tender meat, carrots, onions, and a blend of aromatic spices. The result is a flavorful, satisfying dish that warms you from the inside out. Next up is kurutob, a unique blend of bread soaked in yogurt. This dish is a perfect example of Tajikistan's resourceful cooking style. Stale bread is given a new lease of life by soaking it in a tangy yogurt and vegetable sauce. Topped with fried onions and fresh herbs, kurutob is a delicious testament to the country's love for all things dairy. Now let's move on to shorbo, a hearty soup that's perfect for those cold Tajik winters. This dish is made from a variety of vegetables, beans, and chunks of meat, all simmered together in a rich broth. Shorbo is a comforting, nourishing dish that truly embodies the warm, hearty nature of Tajik cuisine. Fourth on our list is mantu, Tajikistan's answer to dumplings. These delicate parcels are filled with a mixture of minced meat, onions, and a hint of spice. Steamed to perfection, mantu is a light yet satisfying dish that's perfect for a midday snack or a light dinner. Last but not least, we have sambusa, a savory pastry that's a favorite during the holy month of Ramadan. These golden triangles are filled with a mixture of meat, onions, and spices, then baked to crispy perfection. Sambusa is a delightful snack that's as delicious as it is portable. These dishes are a testament to the warm, hearty nature of Tajik cuisine. But we're only halfway through our list. Let's continue our culinary exploration. As we continue our journey, we discover more mouth-watering dishes that Tajikistan has to offer. Let's dive into the world of lakman, a hearty noodle dish that is a staple in Tajikistan. This soul-warming dish is made with hand-pulled noodles, meat, and a medley of vegetables all simmered together in a flavorful broth. The art of pulling the noodles is a skill passed down through generations, and the result is a dish that is as comforting as it is delicious. Next, we have kebab, a classic grilled meat skewer that's a favorite at family gatherings and community events. The meat, usually lamb or beef, is marinated in a blend of spices before being skewered and grilled over an open flame. The result is a smoky, juicy delight that perfectly captures the spirit of Tajikistan's communal dining culture. No Tajik meal would be complete without naan, the traditional bread that accompanies every dish. This round, flat bread is baked in a clay oven, and its distinctive pattern is created by pressing a stamp into the dough before baking. Naan is more than just bread. It's a symbol of hospitality and a staple of life in Tajikistan. Chaka, a sour dairy product similar to yogurt, is another essential element of the Tajik diet. It's often served as a dip or a side dish, and its tangy flavor perfectly complements the rich, hearty flavors of Tajik cuisine. Finally, we come to halwa, a sweet dessert that's a fitting end to any Tajik meal. Made from sesame seeds, sugar, and honey, halwa is a dense, sweet confection that's often enjoyed with a cup of tea. It's a testament to the Tajik love for life's sweet moments. These dishes further showcase the depth and diversity of Tajik cuisine, a true feast for the senses. That concludes our culinary journey through Tajikistan, a land of hearty flavors and warm hospitality. We've dived deep into the rich history of Tajik cuisine and discovered the top 10 authentic recipes that make this cuisine so unique. From the comforting aroma of ash to the delicious crunch of sambusa, these dishes offer a feast for these senses. So why not try making these recipes at home and experience a taste of Tajikistan? If you enjoyed our exploration of Tajik cuisine, please like, share, and subscribe to Foods Around the Globe. Until our next culinary adventure, bon appetit!